Today we are going to make a cocktail that dates back to the late 19th century, the Mezcal Buck. Stay tuned.
Now that sounds interesting.
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Sticking to our roots here in this channel, we are going to make another simple cocktail. This one is called the Mezcal Buck. Only has 4 ingredients, and it is a kind of a late addition to the Buck family of cocktails, which they date back to the 1800s. But this one is made with mezcal of your choice, simple syrup, a ginger beer, and for the fruit in this, we're going to use lime. You can also use lemon if you want to, but the recipe actually calls for lime for this one. Typically, the Buck cocktails follow that pretty similar recipe across them. Most of them are made with vodka, and probably the most common one you may know of is called the Mezcal Mule. Bucks are sometimes referred to as mules. So let's get started. There's a shaker. I'm not going to add a ton of ice in here because we're not going to have a whole lot of ingredients. I'll also use some ice for my glass. I'll go ahead and add this, although we'll probably get a little bit of melt before we get the ingredients in there. That is enough. First thing we need, 2 ounces of mezcal. Mezcal, your choice. This actually is a very good one if you've never tried it. If you don't know anything about mezcals, love that sound. 2 ounces. Here we go. To that, we are going to add 1 ounce. I'm sorry, we're going to add 1/2 an ounce of lime juice. The little simple syrup. 1 teaspoon. That is roughly a teaspoon. If you get too much in there, it won't kill you. Just make it a little sweeter. We're going to shake that. Get it nice and cold. I'm going to dump that over our ice. I'm going to top that off with ginger beer. I'm just using this Gosling's. This is an NA, if that matters. Stir gently. You do want to preserve as much of the fizz as you possibly can. The carbonation, you stir it too roughly, carbonation will disappear. And that's it. This is called the Mezcal Buck. Try it. Let me know down below if you've made this or if you've tried this before. I like these. These are really good. You can taste the mezcal. You got the little spice from that ginger beer. It's sweet. You got the lime in it. Excellent drink. Hit that thumb up button down below. Looks oddly like that. Go on the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Get the little bell icon to be reminded when I post something new, just like this. Till later, thank you, and you have a great day.
Louis, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.